If no one had told you this today, I wanted to let you know that you are so cute to go! And you are going to have an amazing day and you are going to nail it! Hi, and happy Valentine's Day! My name is Diana from Rice Kitty Nails, and my favorite thing about Valentine's Day would be the pretty roses. I can smell it a mile away. Today I'll be showing you how to create this trendy, swirly nail design inspired by Valentine's Day. And I call these my love swirls, as love is in the air. To create this look, you will need the following Bio Seaweed Gel products: upgraded Base 1 Gel Polish, upgraded No Wipe Top Gel Polish, 1018 Cashmere, 169 Valentine, 211 Sweet Tart, Liner 3 Nail Art Brush, Lint Free Wipes, and Ulight Pro 6 Lamp. And don't forget, 70% alcohol and tinfoil or a nail art palette. To begin, I have already prepped my nails and applied 1 coat of Base 1 and 2 coats of Cashmere. Then you will take your tinfoil or your nail art palette and place some Valentine and Sweet Tart down. With the Liner 3 brush, saturate the brush with Valentine. Starting from the bottom up, I will create a swirly line. A quick tip: if you do not feel comfortable creating one line in one go, you can create 2 or 3 or many little strokes as you want to create a starting line. Hey, it kind of reminds me of the BSG logo! Once you have the swirly line the way you like, you can decide to make it thicker or keep it thin. I will make the line a little thicker from the bottom and then thin it out at the top. Another tip is, at any time you can always flash cure your design to ensure the line does not move. This way, if you're making it thicker in some areas, you don't have to worry about erasing everything and start again. I really love how pigmented Valentine is. It's perfect for Valentine's Day. If you find that your line is not as crisp as you like, you can always go in with your Liner 3 brush again and touch up the areas that need to be more smoothing out. Once you are happy with your first swirly line and its thickness, cure in the Ulight Pro 6 for 60 seconds. Next, we're going to clean the Liner 3 brush with 70% alcohol and a lint-free wipe, so it is ready for my next color. Once my Valentine swirly line is cured, I'm going to begin drawing my second line with the pink color Sweet Tart. I will saturate my Liner 3 brush with Sweet Tart now and taking a look at my first swirl. I will follow a similar flow of my Valentine line and start drawing my Sweet Tart line about the same distance apart from each other. After I create my outline of the swirly line, I will use the actual brush from Sweet Tart and fill in the gel color from the top of the line to the tip of my nail. If there are any missing areas of color, you can always use your Liner 3 brush to touch up. I love how Bio Seaweed Gel's polishes are so self-leveling, so easy to use, and awesome. Once my Sweet Tart section is complete, cure in the Ulight Pro 6 for 60 seconds. Now that you know how to achieve the swirly design, you will repeat these steps on each fingernail but in different directions and thickness of lines to complete the entire look. I will now continue doing each nail for you so that you can watch and see how the design looks when it's all done on all of my nails. A tip before you continue is, don't get too worried about the swirls being so perfect. After all, each line is unique and it looks beautiful when it's all put together. Yay! Now I have all the swirly lines completed on my nails. I will cure in the ULite Pro 6 for 60 seconds. Voila! My design is almost complete. Once you're happy with the way all your swirly line looks, you will seal in your design with one final coat of BSG upgraded No Wipe Top Gel polish. After you apply a thin and even coat of top, cure in the ULite Pro 6 for 60 seconds. And here is our final look! We hope you enjoyed this Love Swirl design inspired by Valentine's Day. And if you recreate this look, make sure to tag us because we would love to see your recreations. Also, comment down below letting us know which nail design you'd like to see from us next. Don't forget, follow me, Roy's Kitty Nails, and Bio Seaweed Gel. Thanks for watching. We hope you and your loved one have a lovely day. I'll see you in the next video.